you shadow crafters, welcome back to my channel. Today is another Sofie and Toffee day. Sorry about the noise in the back. I have my window open. Need some fresh air. Starting to finally warm up out there. I can only stand so much time in the sun. I like this switched on. Weird. So, what do we have today? I forgot what the thing was supposed to be. It feels full. Oh, sweet. That's right. Okay, so let's see what we got. Cerise. That's new. Mica powder. I think you only get one. That's a color I haven't seen before. Candy mold. They're so cute. They're so tiny. Lollipop cabochons. Random from 3 pieces. Well, this is 4. Yeah, I like these. I used to get these from my mom all the time. Wow, we got a nice huge bag of polymer clay. And it's all sweet stuff. More polymer clay. Wow. I'm liking this box a lot. I've been waiting on this one for a long time. What is this? Round hollow confetti. All kinds of colors. Yeah. What is this? Gummy heart embellishments. Oh, hold on a sec. I gotta open this one up. I don't normally open them up, but I gotta open them up. I gotta see if they're really gummy. I do. Nope. Nope, they just look like gummies. That's okay. No big deal, right? And what is this? Doesn't really say. Colorful round, yeah, colorful round confettis. Sweet green glitter. Pretty sure it doesn't glow in the dark, but that's good. It's still cute. Macaroon open bezels. Oh, look at the little stars on them. And cupcakes. So far, this is the best box I've ever had. Spatula. Okay, this is lollipop shaker. Boba black pearls. Got a decent haul so far. What's this? Ooh, ice cream cup charms. Ice cream mold. All different types of ice creams. What's this? Cotton candy shaker. Oh, you got little extra pieces in there. miniature pastries mold. I always keep these. This is definitely a box to keep. Miniature bubble tea mold. Oh, look at all the Mickey Mice. Or is that bunnies? I can't tell. Okay. And this is hot pink pops sprinkles. A lot of these I don't use, but I think I'll be using a lot of stuff this time. Well, that's it for now. Thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting my channel so far. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, buy me a cup of coffee. Check out all my links. Namaste, have a great day.